To perform touchscreen diagnostics on the Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we should be able to scroll down and we want to go to Device Care. Over here in Device Care, we're going to proceed to Diagnostics. And if you go here for the first time, you might open the Samsung Members app and you should be able to find Diagnostics menu somewhere over there, or you can just simply exit the app and then you will be back into this menu over here and you want to go to Diagnostics again. Now in here we should be able to go to the phone diagnostics, and if you go here for the first time, and then you will immediately start the whole test. So it's going to look like this. You want to tap on this arrow in the upper left corner and you can stop these diagnostics to go to this menu in here. And then from all of these tests that we can perform, of course you want to find touchscreen. In my case it is over here, so I can just tap on this touchscreen and now I should be able to perform the test and check diagnostics. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.